What's going on, everybody? Kyle Powers here with eXp Realty. Today, I'm going to answer the age-old question, should I do an open house on my listing? The answer is, hell yes, you should. Here's the thing, whenever you do an open house, whenever you do something like that, that is your store frontage. We as real estate agents, nobody's knocking down our door to come to our office. Let's be real, no one gives a shit about that. So what this open house is this is your storefront. You are in your product for sale. So should you do an open house on your listing? Yes, hell yes. Here's the thing, you guys, when I first started in the industry and I didn't have much to do during the weekends and whatnot, granted, I didn't have kids, I'll give you that, but I was building my business. I was building everything. I literally did open houses, 54 open houses my first full year in real estate. Yes, that's more than one a week. A little bit more, but it's still more than one a week. Because here's the thing, where else are you gonna go to meet clients ready, willing, able to buy, maybe not able all the time, but willing to buy, willing to talk to you about looking at a house, about getting into that stuff. Because if they're taking the time to stop, pull over, park the car, get out of their car, come into your open house, go through whatever you got to put them through to get them in there, which we're going to talk about that too. Yes, they're going to be there. Do they have, you're going to say, oh, well, Kyle, they have agents, they have this, who gives a shit? Come on, get out there, get your stuff out there. If they have an agent, great. Let them go on, let them walk through the open house, because here's the deal, you can sell a house at an open house. I promise you, I've done it. So let them come in, let them walk through it, wait for the next one. Answer any questions they have, be polite, be respectful, reach out to their agent after the open house is over and say, hey, so-and-so down the street, I saw that, you had Johnny and Amy come over here and they said that they liked my open house. Let me know if there's any questions I can help. Two things happen there. Number one, you're following up. Number two, you're actually building a relationship with an agent, which is smart to do in the first place. Trust me, I made that mistake. You don't want to do that. But that's the thing, guys, going through and doing these open houses, you are going to enjoy meeting people, enjoy getting in front of people, enjoy doing those things and just getting out there. Like, it's amazing to go through that fact of it. When you're doing your open houses, do your ads, do your sign-in sheets, do a table there right at the beginning, right at the walk in the door, smacks them right in the face almost. Do your Google ads, do your video ads, do your video walkthroughs, do all of that stuff, because what your open house is doing for your listing, mind you, this is on your listing, you're getting that house out there, you're getting that address out there, you're getting your face out there, you're getting yourself out there along with everything else that comes with that. And here's a trick for you guys, I'll give you this one on a little tidbit on it all, is go knock on your neighbors' doors. Have a special preview for your listing on that one for your neighbors, because you know what? I promise you that those neighbors want to get into their neighbor's house. So you're having an open house, go knock on doors, what I always used to do and still do, I still do open houses, by the way, been in the industry for over 7 years, I still do open houses. What I used to do is I'd go houses here, go five doors this way, 5 doors this way, go across the street, go 5 and 5. Because here's the thing, you just met 20 extra people that you may not have ever met before. But what they're gonna see is they're gonna see you hustling, getting out there, doing your thing, working that listing, because either one, they're gonna either remember you when they go to sell their house, or two, they're ready to sell their house. Oh, what do you think you can sell my house for? Well, perfect. Let's go have an appointment and I'll love to walk through the house with you and talk to you about it. Boom, you just generated another lead for you. A seller lead at that, so you can do another open house. And then you just take over that neighborhood, you take over it that way. So, should you do an open house on your listing? Hell yes, you should. Absolutely, 100%, 1000%, yes, you should. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you guys have any questions, if you need anything, please reach out to me. I love real estate. I've been doing this long enough. In my town of 55,000 people, I have sold over 400 homes. I love it. So reach out. My number is 785-477-5485. My email is kyle@homesforsalemhk.com. If you would like some of my open house information, please comment below and I will shoot you an email with an editable version of what you're looking for, what you need for an open house and what I would recommend doing. So until next time, we'll see you later.